Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into a lateral stretch variation. Place your left hand to the chair for support. Reach your right arm up and overhead and lower. Continue flowing with this movement, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, feeling a gentle stretch through your right side body. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Place your right hand to the chair for support. Reach your left arm up and overhead and lower. Continue flowing with this movement, breathing wide into your left side body. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, place your right hand to lightly rest behind your head with your elbow wide. Begin to alternate, reaching your left arm open to the left and sweeping across your body while lifting through your right leg. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, open your left arm to the left, and with each exhale, sweep across your body, lifting through your right leg, squeezing and contracting through your right leg and core. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Place your left hand to lightly rest behind your head with your elbow wide. Begin to alternate, reaching your right arm open to the right and sweep across your body as you lift through your left leg. Release and return to center, moving into a seated twist variation. With your spine long, inhale, reach your arms overhead. Exhale, gently twist, reaching one arm forward and the opposite arm back. Inhale at center, arms reach overhead. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue twisting from right to left, keeping your navel back towards your spine, moving from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, working through your obliques. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.